Hey WalletHubbers! Today we're talking about what a waiver of subrogation is. A waiver of subrogation is a legal clause that prevents an insurance company from recovering the money they paid on a claim from the responsible party's insurer. In car insurance, a waiver of subrogation usually keeps the not-at-fault driver's insurer from recouping claims payments from an at-fault driver. Let's look at an example scenario. Say driver A ran a red light and hit you while you were driving legally, but driver A won't admit fault. As a result, you have to file a collision claim with your own insurance company and pay your deductible in order to get compensated for your car repairs. That's not the end of the story though. At this point, your insurer begins the process of subrogation, negotiating with driver A's insurance company to try to replace the money it paid for your claim. You may even get your deductible back if subrogation is successful. However, driver A may offer to pay a set sum for the damage if you agree to sign a waiver of subrogation. Signing this waiver would mean forfeiting your right to get any more money from driver A or his insurance company, regardless of any expenses from the accident that might arise in the future. Now that you know a little more about what a waiver of subrogation is, you may want to purchase more protection for your vehicle to avoid having to even entertain signing such a waiver in the event of an accident. With that in mind, you can check out WalletHub's picks for the best collision insurance companies by clicking the button here.